Whoa! Shaky table. Look here, camp cooking time. It's Tuesday. Time for dinner. We're going to do a bratwurst supper in a foil pack. So we got the old heavy duty grilling foil out, 2 layers. We're going to chop it up, layer it up. That's shallot, mushroom, potatoes. Got some butter, the bratwurst, carrots, soy sauce, some onion soup mix, and some black pepper. There's the recipe. There's your instructions. Now I'm gonna dice things up small so we can negate some of that cook time, because if you chunk it up pretty heavy, it's gonna be about an hour to cook. All right, so we dropped a little bit of butter and seasoning down on the foil packet, and now I'm going in with the potatoes first. And that's pretty important. I'm doing that because I picked up the potato first. Now, that recipe had some measurements, but you know, they're just guides. How much potato do you want? How much mushroom do you want? It's your, it's your foil packet. You cook it any way you want to. For instance, they use a red onion. I'm using a shallot. It's kind of like a red onion, but smaller. It's like a one-man serving size of onion, but different. Let's see, what else we got going in? Carrot, let's chunk up some carrot. Sample. Carrot's crunchy, y'all. I think I just did rescue a few mushrooms out of the fridge before they went bad. They're on their way to checking out. I bought these to cook last week and didn't get around to it. We're gonna call that one kind of toasty. Let's see, we're just gonna call that enough. We're just gonna call it enough mushroom. That's what we're gonna do. Now the brat. Now they suggest cutting it into thirds, but again, ooh. I'm gonna do almost like little meatball size pieces. And I'm just gonna spread them around. Now we need some butter and some seasoning on top. Go on there with some butter. Go on with some butter, pepper. A little more soup mix. Woo, spilling my soy sauce. Soy sauce. And now it's time to do the mighty wrap. That's right. Do you have a particular way you like to wrap your foil packets? I like to do it like this. It's easy for me to unravel and check. And it gives me like little handles to grab it. Let's go put it on the grill. There you go. You want to come with me? Come on, let's take a walk. Take our foil packet and cook it. Now, if you wanted, you could do this in a Dutch oven, make a big batch of this, and feed a whole group. Here we are. Well, now we gotta find something to do with ourselves. So I'm gonna go walk around the trail while my food cooks. All right, we've been going about 20 minutes on each side, about 40 minutes total. I'm gonna take it off and let her rest for a minute. You see where that thing ballooned up? That's a good seal on that one there. All right, well, let's see what's in the foil pack, y'all. Hopefully she's cooked, because I don't have time to put her back on. It's gotta be cooked. Oh, look how much that foil pack puffed up. Oh, man. Looky there. That looks like some goodness right there, y'all. Wow. Oh, heck yeah. Let's give a potato a poke. Oh yeah, potatoes are done. It's done. You know what it needs? It needs a little bit of parsley sprinkle to pretty it up a little bit, because we eat with our eyes, right? Oh man. I mean, come on, y'all. Wee. That's dinner. Come on now, that's some camp cooking goodness right there. Man, let's see. We want some. Here's some mushrooms, some onions, some potato, a little bit of bratwurst, a little bit of brat. Get on there. Come on, get on there. All together. Here we go. Oh my goodness. I'm cooking this for the family at home. Holy cow. That's awesomeness. Well, look here. We'll see you on the trail.